Oh, hi Sujata. So good you all are back. Yes. Anu, how are you? Sapra. I'm not able to make the full names out. Harini, Nina. Anuradha wants to come in. Hi, Anu. Hi, Vibs. I'm looking for Anju because we are going to be launching the Green Club by the Green Goddesses. This club, we are just going to start membership at $5.99. We shall be running all the workshops and you can learn everything in spurts. Like how to grow your own vegetables, your terrace gardening, how to even sort out your own soil. Hi, Jayu. Hi. And Anju is here and I'll quickly bring her in because she's a star of the show and she's going to be telling us how to green our own. Hi, Kiran. Thank you for the EDP support from Savera. Yes. Thank you, Kiran.
Thank you, Kiran.
Hi, Lina. Hey, Anju.
Looking gorgeous.
Hi.
Anju, there is a little bit of feedback. If there's anybody using another device,
they may have to switch it off.
No. Are you?
Can you switch it?
No.
Can you switch it?
Is it there still?
Yes, Anju.
Yes, Anju.
I'm
Guys,
on my
can you
data.
let
Guys,
us know
can you let us know if it's clear?
Echo that
Is there
you
an
could hear?
echo that you could hear?
Because I'm not getting any echo from my end.
When I talk,
I'm able to get a feedback.
Hi, Lina.
Hi, Lina.
There is an echo.
Is it there?
There is an echo happening.
Is there anyone else?
Is there anyone else using the Insta at the moment? Please just ask them to switch it off.
No, there's nobody here in the house, Preeti, on the floor here where I'm sitting. There's no echo. I mean, my
question is echoing. So Anju, I'm just going to sit quietly. You go ahead and you're launching the Green Club.
Go for it.
Go for it.
So, when I'm talking, is there an echo, guys? Are you also able to get an echo?
Only when I'm talking.
Anju, you're good to go. You go ahead.
All right. So a very good evening from the Green Goddesses, and we plan to we are launching the Green Club, and I hope that each one of you would join in. What we are planning to do is take up a lot of gardening workshops, teach you the basics, how you can grow your own veggies. It's a dream that we want each one of you to go ahead and grow something, at least something in your gardens. Maybe a green, maybe a chili, could be a tomato, just anything, but something that you should be growing. Along with that, we have a few other things in the line where we would like to teach you how to make your own bioenzymes, how to do home composting, how to make your own floor cleaners. The list could go on and on. There is so much that one can do from things which are there in the house. When it comes to gardening, organic, I think, is a very misused word. For me, organic is something which is where you are not using chemicals at all. And the gardening that we follow, I would say it is more towards nature, more natural. And everything we try to do is from your kitchen to the garden and from the garden to the kitchen. So that is the whole idea, and you have the whole circle completed over there. If Preeti, I'd request you to keep the comments on. So in case anybody has any comments and if they have any questions and doubts, we can probably have those answered. And the only thing that I would request everyone who wants to take up gardening as a hobby or who wants to get into growing their own veggies, the only requirement is your 3 P's. And when I say 3 P's, it is patience, perseverance, and a passion. So you should have a passion for growing your veggies. You need to have the patience, and you need to have the perseverance to continue growing it. anything that you grow and plant needs time for it to grow. So, you know, a seed has to grow to a sapling, it will germinate, then it becomes a sapling, then when you transplant, it becomes a plant, and then it flowers, and then it fruits. So the whole process is going to take you at least 3 months. So, yeah, we would love to know if anybody has any questions. Our membership for the Green Club is $5.99. And we'll be sharing our bank details of the Green Goddesses on Insta and Facebook. If you know if you know any one of us personally and you have our numbers, you could get in touch with us, or you could get in touch with Indu from Savera, and we'll be sharing her number in the comments. Those of you who want to note it down can even note it down now. Her number is 9710 947355. I'm just going to repeat her number again. Her name is Mrs. Indu, and her number is 9710 947355. So I think, Preeti, we've covered up almost what we want to do and what we are planning to do in the coming weeks. And these are workshops which are going to be which are going to happen in the month of July. The actual charge for the first workshop for gardening is going to be 1,000, if I'm not mistaken. But if you are joining in, we are giving the 1,000 would include your membership for the Green Club, and so that's how it's going to go about. So if there is any other question, and you can just let me know. You need guidance on the right temperature and amount of sunlight needed for different kind of plants. Sonia, we will be covering all these and more in the workshop. The basic introduction to gardening would have topics like why organic gardening, what are the basic points or mistakes which normally people do, and which is why they're unsuccessful. What is it that you really need to know? What is it that you need? What is the pots that you need? What is the seeds that you need? What is the seasons that you can sow in? What should be your best potting soil, in which the potting medium in which you need to grow your plant, the care and maintenance of those plants. Most of the times, a common problem which people face is when they buy a plant from a nursery and they come back home and they transplant it, they die. And the main reason for it is, one, we don't know how to do the transplanting properly. There is a certain way in which you need to take care of not harming the roots and allowing the roots to just naturally adapt to the soil at your place. So you need to transplant it correctly, and you need to take care of it. So there are a lot of factors which go into it. Another point also could be that in nurseries, most of the times people are using a lot of chemicals, and at home we don't use chemicals. And that could be another reason why the plant is not strong enough to really hold on to without the chemicals. So I think if there is
yes, Sanju,
any other...
Yes, Sanju.
Yeah, there's an echo.
Something very quiet.
The charges is $5.99 for the club membership. The workshop is 1,000, but those who register with us along with the workshop and are wanting to become the club members, they don't need to pay $1,599. They just need to pay the 1,000. That would be inclusive of the club membership. So they get that discount. And in future also, when we do activities, the Green Club members would be getting certain benefits and certain talk sessions and a lot of whole other activities which we would be giving them during the course of the year. Another thing that we would like from the Green Club members would be volunteering work, which in the various activities that, as you have already seen in the last 1 week, from the past few days, we've been talking of associating ourselves with various organizations for doing a lot of work around the city. And we would definitely be asking all of you to support us and come forward in our activities. So I think that covers most of it, right, Preeti?
Yes.
Yes.
So are you announcing
So
are you announcing the date
of the workshop?
I think we can have the workshop somewhere after the 5th or the 6th of July. Once we finish with the award, which gets over on this Friday, we will be announcing the date. I think it shouldn't be too later, much later than that. The lockdown opens by the 6th of July. So I think hopefully we should have it in that week itself, so that in case any one of you is wanting any potting mix or seeds or saplings, we could probably, and you're looking at having us do the needful for you, we would be happy to do that too. So we'll just wait for the lockdown to open, and then we can start with all the queries. I've been getting a lot of calls, and I've been getting a lot of inquiries. I'm truly sorry I haven't been able to reply to quite a number of you in the past few days, but hopefully, yes, we will be forming a Green Club WhatsApp group soon. And any of your queries related to gardening or anything else which you have, we could share it over there, and it can be answered. So I can see a few new members who've joined in. So a very good evening to all of you from the Green Goddesses here. And please do join our Green Club. And
Go on.
And this membership is for 1 year. Yeah, the $5.99 is a yearly membership. It's for 1 year.
So,
Preeti, is there anything else that you need to add to the club?
no, just
the
launch of the Green
Please
Club.
join us
Please
and
join us and follow us,
we'll be posting
all the different
all
workshops,
the different workshops,
and you can sign
and you can sign
by
up
checking in
by checking in pages,
and we've
and
for any queries,
you
you can call Anju
can
or
call Anju or Manju or
Preeti or
Preeti
Jayu,
or Jayu.
Tina. They're always here.
They're always here.
So somebody is saying that they are unable to grow coriander. So coriander, I'm sure the one tip that I can give you is that when you sow coriander, if you sow it directly, it's not going to grow because it's just going to pop up from above the soil. So you need to sow it, soak it over at least for a minimum of 48 hours till the time you see the seeds have settled down. And then if you sow it, you'll get the success that you are looking at. So I think I'll sign out right now, and Preeti can take over because there is an echo. And if there are any queries, please feel free to contact us on Insta or Facebook or any one of our handles. All our handles are Green Goddesses. So we look forward to having you in our workshop, and we look forward to having you becoming members of the Green Club. Thank you.
Right, so there you have it. We have launched the Green Club today. Please join us. It's $5.99. I couldn't talk much earlier because there was an echo, so I was a silent spectator. So we will start off with Grow Your Own Veggies, and Anju will be posting about microgreens and all the various exciting workshops for adults and kids, and very, very interesting activities have been planned. But tomorrow, that is Thursday and Friday, we are still continuing with our Green Awards. We have the Green Corporate Award happening, as well as the Green Young Farmers Award tomorrow. And on Friday, it's the Green Eco Stylist Awards that's been given out. So please do sign in tomorrow at 5 p.m. I know it's addictive, and we are also addictive now to coming online and seeing all your comments. It's wonderful. And yeah, I should learn the sign languages, and that's a good skill set. Maybe you should look forward on internet, check out how to learn the sign language. So thank you very much. Do follow us on Facebook and like us on Insta. Have a great evening and see you tomorrow. Jayashree Vivek will be there and Anju Agrawal will also be there. So see you. Thank you. Ta-da.